Hello, everyone. And today, Career Guidance has brought an idiom for you in English, which says, walk a mile in someone's shoes. Means that before we judge a person, we should know that what are the struggles, what are the experiences the person is facing before we pass a judgment for that person, before we criticize a person. We should understand their struggles, their experiences. And the best combo is of parents and teenagers and teachers and students. So for let me write the idiom for you. It says, walk a mile in someone's shoes. So if I use the first combo, parents and teenagers, lot of disagreement is there between the parents and the teenagers. So the sentence can be, the parents and teenagers often disagree, but both of them need to walk in each other's shoes before they land up or they conclude to a particular decision. So both of them, because in today's time, the parents, they have their perception which they have gained from their experience. Today, the time has changed, and this is only called that generation gap. Teenagers have got their own perceptions. So, there should be a bridge between the parents and the teenagers. So, this idiom can be used. Idioms are generally used in creative writing, in essays. So, they will always have a long framing. It cannot be like when we frame a sentence with a word, it can be in one line. But idiom, it requires a length. The second sentence can be that teachers and the teachers don't realize if the students don't perform. They just, without realizing, without doing their homework in the parent teachers meeting, they just blast in front of the parents that your child is not performing. So here the sentence comes, before blaming the student about their poor performance, a teacher should walk a mile in students' shoes to understand the challenges the student is facing. Again, the length is long because it is an idiom. So I hope these words and idioms will definitely make a difference, and they will always enhance the communication skill. It is not that I am sharing every day a new word or an idiom for you. I am also growing with you all only. Because when I am doing the homework, I am also increasing my vocabulary. So stay tuned with Career Guidance channel, and we will meet again tomorrow with a new word or a new idiom. Thank you.